In recent years, conversations around women's health and wellness have grown more open, empowering women to seek knowledge and make informed choices about their bodies. Among the many trends that have emerged is the practice known as vaginal steaming, or V-steam, a ritual that promises to cleanse, rejuvenate, and heal. From luxury spas to DIY kits, V-steaming has captured public imagination, fueled by celebrity endorsements and persuasive testimonials. But what is the truth behind this ancient practice? Does it offer tangible benefits, or are the claims more myth than medicine? Let's take a careful, science-based look at V-steam and its implications for vaginal wellness. V-steaming traces its roots to various traditional practices across cultures, particularly in East Asia, Africa, and Central America. It involves sitting or squatting over a pot of steaming water infused with herbs such as mugwort, rosemary, wormwood, or basil. The steam is believed to enter the vaginal canal, providing benefits ranging from cleansing and balancing hormones to easing menstrual discomfort and even enhancing fertility. Proponents of V-steam often cite its ancient origins as evidence of its efficacy. In many cultures, postpartum women used herbal steams as part of recovery rituals, aiming to soothe, heal, and cleanse. Today, with the rise of holistic wellness, V-steam is marketed as a way to reconnect with one's body, detoxify the reproductive tract, and restore balance. But as with many wellness trends, the popularity of V-steam often outpaces the scientific evidence supporting its use. To understand whether V-steaming is truly beneficial or potentially harmful, it's important to first understand the body it claims to help. The vagina is an extraordinary organ with a sophisticated system of self-regulation. It is lined with a delicate mucous membrane that maintains an acidic pH, fostering a healthy balance of bacteria, most notably lactobacilli. This balance protects against infection, neutralizes pathogens, and keeps the area clean. Contrary to popular belief, the vagina does not require external cleansing or interventions to stay healthy. It is a self-cleaning system designed by nature. Advocates for V-steam suggest that the herbal-infused steam can cleanse the uterus and vagina, remove toxins, and treat a range of menstrual or reproductive issues. However, medical experts, including gynecologists and obstetricians, express skepticism. There is currently no scientific evidence that steam, regardless of herbal additives, can penetrate the vaginal canal to the extent that it alters its internal environment in a beneficial way. The idea of detoxifying the vagina is particularly misleading, as the body's liver and kidneys already perform detoxification, and the vagina's own flora manage local cleaning. Some proponents claim that V-steaming can regulate menstrual cycles, ease cramps, or improve fertility. However, these claims have not been substantiated by rigorous clinical studies. Most available evidence is anecdotal, relying on individual stories rather than controlled research. While the warm sensation of steam might provide temporary comfort or relaxation, this does not equate to medical benefit. There are also potential risks associated with V-steaming. The vaginal tissue is sensitive and prone to irritation. Exposure to hot steam can cause burns, scalding, or disrupt the natural balance of bacteria, leading to infections such as bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. Introducing herbs, especially those not regulated for medical use, can also trigger allergic reactions or irritation. For women who are pregnant, have certain medical conditions, or use intrauterine devices, steaming could pose additional threats. Despite the lack of scientific backing, the marketing of V-steam remains powerful. Spas and wellness centers often use language that taps into women's desire for empowerment and self-care, presenting V-steaming as a way to honor and nurture femininity. Celebrity endorsements have played a significant role, with notable figures sharing their positive experiences and giving the practice an aura of glamour and credibility. It's important to recognize that feeling good after a wellness ritual doesn't necessarily mean it's improving physical health. The act of taking time for oneself, relaxing in a soothing environment, and participating in a ritual can indeed have positive psychological effects. This sense of well-being is valuable, but it should not be confused with medical efficacy. For those seeking to support vaginal health, there are evidence-based practices that are far more effective and safer than steaming. Maintaining good hygiene by washing the external genital area with water and mild soap, wearing breathable cotton underwear, and avoiding harsh douches or scented products is recommended. Regular gynecological checkups, practicing safe sex, and staying alert to any changes in discharge, odor, or discomfort are key steps in preserving reproductive health. When it comes to menstrual discomfort, options such as over-the-counter pain relievers, heating pads, and lifestyle adjustments like regular exercise and balanced nutrition are supported by research for their effectiveness. If someone experiences irregular periods, severe pain, or other reproductive health issues, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional rather than relying on unproven remedies. The allure of V-steaming often stems from a longing for control and understanding of one's body, especially in a world where women's health has historically been misunderstood or dismissed. There is value in seeking ways to feel more connected and cared for, but it's crucial to distinguish between rituals that nurture the mind and those that alter the body. There is a broader cultural conversation happening around vaginal wellness, one that is overdue and necessary. For too long, taboos and misinformation have prevailed, leading to shame or secrecy. The rise of wellness trends, like V-steam, reflects a desire to reclaim agency and celebrate femininity. However, it's important to combine empowerment with education, making choices rooted in both self-love and scientific understanding. In navigating the world of wellness, skepticism is a valuable tool. Ask questions about how and why a practice is said to work. Seek out the opinions of qualified medical professionals. Look for research and evidence rather than relying solely on testimonials or marketing claims. Remember that what works for one person might not work for another, and that your body's needs are unique. For those who enjoy the relaxation and ritual of V-steaming, doing so safely is paramount. Ensure that the steam is not too hot. Avoid direct contact with boiling water, and be cautious with herbal mixtures, especially if you have allergies or sensitivities. Always listen to your body and stop immediately if you experience discomfort or pain. Ultimately, the truth about V-steam is that while it may offer a sense of ritual and relaxation, its claims about cleansing, detoxifying, or healing the vagina are not supported by medical science. The vagina is self-sufficient, resilient, and designed to maintain its own health without external interventions. Women deserve accurate information, respect, and autonomy over their health decisions. By staying informed, asking questions, and prioritizing evidence-based care, we can continue to break down taboos and promote true wellness, one rooted in both tradition and truth. In celebrating our bodies, let's do so with wisdom, confidence, and the knowledge that real health starts with understanding and respect for how our bodies truly work. As the conversation around vaginal wellness continues to evolve, let's embrace both the empowerment of self-care and the insights of modern medicine. By doing so, we can make choices that honor our bodies, support our well-being, and help us live our healthiest, happiest lives.